those should be good. So Hallie, if you'll grab the oats for Stella. And, all right, it calls for 2.5 cups. So,
2.5.
why don't we just start with 2?
How can you place it down? And then.
All the way.
Keep going. A little bit more.
I don't want it to come out too fast. Okay. Now, batten that out, and then one more. Tiny little bit.
There you go. That's good. That's great. All right, pour that in there. Here, and then let's just do 2.5. So do just a little less than 2, or less than 1/2, please.
Wow, that's a lot.
That's good. All right, and then chocolate chips. I think we just, it says a 1/3 cup. Just pour with your heart stuff. Ooh, those are fun.
Oh.
All right, that's good. All right, give it a stir. Make sure you get all that peanut butter that's on the bottom.
This is a lot of oat thingy. Oat.
A lot of oats. Oatmeal.
Yeah. Oat
It says it's going to be a little dry at first, but you just keep stirring and stirring. It'll all incorporate and get nice and smooth.